Hi everyone, this is Missy, and today I'll show you how to export your client list. A lot of times this is used for marketing purposes or maybe sending out holiday cards, many different reasons. First, you'll go to Reports and then Client List. Then choose all the different details that you may or may not want, like if you want it detailed or if you want primary firms only, totally up to you. All firms or a specific firm, but if we're going to do the entire list, just check the things that you want, click Preview, and it'll give you the list. So if you export it with this button, it will do it in a .csv format, comma, separated value. If you want it to go straight into Excel, click the Excel button, open with Excel. There it is. And then you can sort by whatever column you want to. If you know how to do Excel, this is going to be really easy. But that way, if you want to pull out only people who are on a certain street or only people in a certain town, you can mark it to specific people instead. Okay, that's about it on exporting your client list. Check out the Help tab in RAW for other written instructions or links to videos on other subjects.